Hello everyone. If you want to add your Jetstar Flight boarding pass to the Apple Wallet in 2026, then this video is going to show you the exact steps that are working in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to understand one important thing. You can only add your boarding pass after the check-in. So you need to first of all go to the Jetstar website or in the application, and then you just have to simply complete your check-in. After check-in, your boarding pass will be generated, which is going to look something like this. So without this, you won't see the option to add to the Apple Wallet. Now, Jetstar sends your boarding pass digitally. So you need to simply open your email. After that, inside your email, you need to find the Jetstar boarding pass. Now, when you are able to find it, you just have to look for this particular option that says add to Apple Wallet. When you tap on it, you will be landed on the preview page where you just have to do nothing but to just tap on the add button, which will be on the top right hand corner of the screen in order to basically confirm it. So once you do this, you just have to simply follow further on screen instructions, and this way your Jetstar boarding pass will be added to your Apple Wallet in no time. Now, if the wallet option is not available, you can keep a backup. You can save the screenshot and download the boarding pass PDF. You can also show this at the airport if needed, and this ensures that you don't face any kind of issues during boarding. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.